In 2016, I got a new orthodontist. He looked at my teeth and he was like, whoa, like what's going on here? I had a lot of teeth missing that I shouldn't have had missing, that got pulled, that shouldn't have been pulled at all. My front tooth was actually turned completely backwards. And then when I went back to try to like do something about it, because like you just turned my tooth backwards and you're an orthodontist, like he's gone. Nobody can find him, gone. It makes you angry because it feels like you can't do anything about it. For one, you're not the doctor, you're not the one that should know what you're doing. And honestly, it makes your confidence lower because you think you're going in there knowing that something's gonna be fixed, and then coming out knowing that it's completely the wrong way. You have to go through it all over again. So angry, upset, lower confidence for sure. I think before I even made the appointment to go, I was afraid that he's going to tell me I didn't have an option because I don't have bone in the roof of my mouth. I was already fearing that before he even told me like it was gonna go that way, but I'm glad he had like another way to go around it, you know? Well, he did well on communication. I mean, he told me everything he was doing, why he was doing it, how long it was gonna take, how quick it would be done. Everything was very communicative. He did very great. The temporary was put in for a few months, and then the permanent, none of it hurt at all. Actually, none of it. I didn't feel anything at all. It was very quick. I was scared also. A fear of mine was that I would go in and then leave without teeth. Like, oh, you're gonna have like little nubs of teeth. But he did everything so quick that I didn't go home with no teeth at all. I always had teeth in my mouth. I actually liked my temps so much that when I got the permanent ones, I was like, no, I don't really want the permanent ones. But now I like the permanent ones better. I actually take more pictures now than I did before. I don't cover my face like I used to. I laugh normal. I don't try to like cover my mouth while I'm laughing because I don't feel comfortable. I do feel comfortable now. So I actually like laughing more now. If I had to tell somebody that was new trying to come to Hylan Dental, I would tell them that they're in good hands. The people there are caring. They make you feel comfortable. They don't judge you. And I feel like overall it's a great dentist to go to. Oh yeah, I'm 100% happier.